Hey, this is Life Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. You know what we're going to do today? We're going to do eyes, but we're going to do something that is going to be the trend in 2026, and that is colored eyeliner again. It's making its way back to us girlfriends. And then this one is by NYX. It is absolutely beautiful. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do one of my eyes off camera, and then we're going to do one eye together. That way you can see the difference in how it looks from the beginning, and then when it's totally finished, you'll be like, blown away, girlfriend. So come on with me and let's go do it. Okay, here is my finished eye. Now we're going to do this eye. This is my hardest eye, and that's the reason I want to show it to you. Because this one is a little more downward turned, so it takes a little bit more effort for me to do this eye. But the first thing that we're going to start off with is giggly. This is going to be the base for what we're doing today. So what you want to do, my goodness, I got some bags, girlfriend. I hope y'all are doing well. I am making it for sure. Now this is not a shiny color. This is a matte. It goes on and it looks like it's kind of shiny. But all you need to do is take a little brush like this and blend it all. Don't bring it all the way up. Just bring it right here. I usually just stop on my brow bone right there. Because you can always come back and touch this up, which I did on this side. So, wow, that's pretty. You can just wear this color by itself too. You do not have to add anything else to it. So let me put this back in here. Now, this is the fun part. Because I'm going to use this. The purple color is amazing. Let me see what, I'll put it here what it is. Beautiful, beautiful color. I went into Walmart and I found it there. And it is a pencil one, so you do have to sharpen it. But what I did was come right across here. Now, this dries very quickly, so you don't have to really wait on it. So it's not like a regular eyeshadow. It's liquid. So it adheres to your skin and it stays and gives you a beautiful barrier for whatever you're going to put on top of it. But look at this. Now, I have green eyes, and on the color wheel, right across from purple is green. So that's what you need to keep in mind when you're working with these colored pencils like this. Whatever's opposite on the color wheel from whatever eye color that you have. So purple is me. I could go into the violet colors too as well. See how this goes on? I'm not, and my skin moves a lot. It really does. And so what I have to do is just kind of, place it and just go over it like that. And I am going to put some under here. Yes, I am. Because we need that, girlfriend. And I'm going to use it on the outer corner. But before we do that, we are going to take a brown, yes, like a dark brown color, just to give it a little depth. And then we're going to come back over it with that liner. See what I'm talking about now? Yeah. And so this is Younique's Addiction Palette. Is it 10 or 11? It's a great palette. But what we're going to use is this color right here. It doesn't have a lot of red in it, which I didn't want. The other one I looked at was just a little bit too dark, and I didn't like it. So I settled on this color. So you don't even know that I have brown on, correct? Right. But it's going to give us the nice lift on this side. Crease brush. This is it. See, got the color on the end. And what I'm going to do is the best thing for us when we're older, or it doesn't matter if you're older, you could do it this way all the time. To get that outer kind of V, I just make a line like that. And then whatever's left on my brush, I just kind of sweep it inward. And you can see my skin moves, girl. Look at that. This is my hard side. So this is the one I wanted to show you because it is my hard side. And this side is much easier to do than this one. So let me grab just a tad more. Let me look at it. See how it just kind of defines the eye? And we're going to add the liner right on top of it. And we're going to blend that in. Now, I could come in a little more, man. Does your skin move that much? Oh, my goodness. Mine is just getting Mr. Happy going everywhere. Yeah. I'm going to come back over here and just a little lightly add some here. There we go. There we go. Yay! And see, I still have to do my brow over here. So see, this brow's been done, and I haven't done this one. So big difference when you're not doing your brows. So make sure, because your brows frame your face, and you really need to make sure that you have a good brow game too. Now, one thing you might want to do is take a smudger brush. This is BK Beauty's 204 brush. This is what it's for. And what I did was I went over the top of the plum color on my lid, the liner. And then I came back and I got the liner here. Come here and grab some on the bottom of the smudger brush, and we're going to push that upward. Now, you can draw it if you want to. I just like to use a brush. I just think I do better using a brush. And we're just going to blend that purple color right into that brown eyeshadow. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that pretty? I love it. And you don't have to add the brown. I just like a little bit more definition in mine because I have hooded eyes. So it makes me look like I don't have hooded eyes because I need this open here. So when I bring things upward like this, it gives me more of a lift, and I just like it better. Look at that. So pretty. Now, we got to run some of this under here. Now, these are very creamy, so when you're using it, you shouldn't have anything tugging your skin, okay? That is one thing I really, really, really liked about these. And then connect it right here. Remember, you got to connect that, and we're going to come back and blend that. But I didn't come all the way in, but I am going to tight line it just a little here. Not much. But that gives you a pop, just a beautiful pop. Now, you're going to have to take that same brush again, the little, so crazy, y'all. Yes, I'm from the South, if you're wondering. I'm from Alabama. Yeah. And right now, it is cold, cold, cold outside. We're under that little Arctic freeze that's coming through, but it's beautiful. There's no clouds in the sky. Or clouds in my eyes. Yay. See, this brush is a must. Unless you already have a good one that you love. BK Beauty brushes are amazing. Now, do they look even? That's the question. Now, I do have to do my other brow, and I'll do that off camera, and I got to do my mascara. Now, the mascara that I use, let me curl my lashes real quick. I'm going to use Younique's Quadra mascara because I love it, and it has a built-in serum. It's a tubing mascara. It has a built-in primer. It's just really good to use, and I usually use this about 3 times a week. Not every day, but today's my day to have to use it. So it is a dual-ended brush. One side's a brush, one side's a comb. And since I'm not going to use this as my mascara today, I am just going to make sure that I get right down to the bottom of my lashes so that my lashes can get all the goodness from it. And I'm going to use Anastasia mascara in the color black, of course. Love this, and I will list everything, so no worries, people. I really like this. I like the brush on it, and I like the way that it goes on, and it doesn't flake. Because, you know, sometimes you can get mascaras that flake, and then you'll wind up having little black flakes down here. Yeah, that's happened to me. But when I use this, it does not. It's just, I love the way it goes on. I like the wand. I like the shape of the brush as well. So, and then I could come back over here if I wanted to touch up this side. I know you're not supposed to go over your nose, but I do it anyway. Y'all know that's funny. Look at that. Ooh-wee! I really like this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for colored liners again. But I do have a green one, but this one is going to be my favorite. And I got this one too. I got this one. This one's Revlon also, but it's a bronzy color. It's got a little shimmer to it. Now, I did that with a smoky eye. Girl, it was gorgeous. I mean, pretty. Pretty. I'm going to put a little bit more purple there. And I'm going to come over here and put a little more purple here. And we're going to take a small little brush, something like this. And we're just going to kind of blend that out because I want a nice lift on this side. And then I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to finish everything. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm so thankful for the liners back. That's the one good thing I can say about makeup. We get to change it up, you know. Every year, there's going to be a new thing. This isn't anything new. This has been around since the 70s and the 80s, because I'm an 80s girl. I graduated in 1980. So I was in the era of big hair and liners. That's right. All right, let me fluff my hair. Yes, I'm about ready to go. So let me go do my lips, and I'll be right back. Oh my goodness, I just absolutely love this look. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Now, on this side, I use this palette here. This is e.l.f. Yes, and it's the Nudes palette, Nude Mood palette. And I like this color right here, as you can tell. And so that's what we're going to put in the inner corner and up and around under the eye. So we are going to grab, what brush do I want to use for this? Let's use a little flat brush here. Let's use this one. And we are going to take a little bit of this color. And we're going to pop it right here in the corner. Because I want a little brightness there, but I do not want shiny, okay? I want this to be more of a matte look, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. The purple liner is the key. I love it. I hope y'all do too. I mean, give it a try. You just never know until you try something new. You really don't. I'm going to grab this little brush here, and I'm going to come back into this Addiction palette, and I'm going to just dip down into the brown color right there. Not much. And I just want to kind of lightly bring this together. I have a big old brown spot right there. Do y'all? I got so many brown spots, it's ridiculous. I wish I could dip me down into a vat and just, you know, you stay for about 10 minutes and then pull you back up and then there's no spots. Do they have that anywhere? Let me know, because I sure would like to go there. There he goes. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Y'all got to try this. You do. Now, I'm going to finish off with a little bit. I did use a little bit of lipstick for my blush. I used the color Loaded, which is Younique's color, which I love. It's so pretty. And we're going to use this palette here. This is the Cheeky Love Letter palette by Benefit, and I love it. It's one of my favorites, and I do use it pretty much every day. And I just take a little brush like this. And I could do all the colors, but today I think I want to stick with, I've got this mauve color top on. I'm going to stick with these three. This, okay? Oh, it's so pretty, y'all. Y'all will love this. I know I say y'all a lot. Now come over your nose. I'm going to put a little bit up here, a little bit on my chin. Love it. It's one of the best things that I've purchased here recently was the Benefit. So I'm going to put that up. And then last thing we do, I use is Revolution Fix and Glow Dewy Finish. Shake it up. You get this on Amazon. It's one of the best products I've ever used. And what you do, and I don't know if you've ever watched me before, but this is something that I use every single day. And I do have to get it from Amazon because you can't find it in the stores anymore. But spray a beauty blender. I usually have a wet one, or a moist one. But today we'll just try it dry. And then bounce it over. And then what's going to happen is this sets your makeup. And I've already set myself with, I put my moisturizer on first, and then I did a layer of powder. So that it's the loose powder, the translucent one. And then I came and I put on my face primer, and then I put on my foundation. So I've got a great little barrier going on there. But this is going to be your ticket to shine, girl. Put some there on top of your lip. See that? And you don't really need to add anything else, because this is going to shine. It's going to give you that glow, and it's going to set your makeup. Yep, for all day wear. Okay, so let me fluff my hair. I always do that at the end. And if you want to use a little bit of a lip gloss, you could do that here. I could use, let's just use this. Let's use Hottie. Hottie's one of my favorite. This is a lip plumper. This is also by Younique. And I'm just going to put it right in the center. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, girlfriends, thanks for hanging out with me. Please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I love it when you come and hang out with me. So if there's something you would love for me to touch on, put it in the comments. And I'm here on Sundays only, so come back on Sundays and check me out, girlfriends. Yes, I just love this. And I think that you will love using the color. I mean, wow. It really makes my eyes pop. So next time I come on here, or put in the comments whether you're already using them now. That would be awesome to know. So, love you guys, and I will see y'all next week. See you later.